So today I am going to go get my bidder's permit. It's so important to get your bidder's permit the day before the auction, because 9 times out of 10 you will not have enough time to do it the day of the auction. And some counties don't even allow you to get the auction the day of your bidder's permit the day of the auction. I forgot to tell you, get the bidder's permit. So this is the third office I've been to. It's so important to do your research before you go to the auction. I've been to 3 different places already for the bidder's permit. Most all tax deed auctions, not foreclosures, tax deed auctions allow you, if you're doing it in public, you have to have a bidder's permit. So now I'm going to the 4th department. So know and do your homework before going to the tax deed auction. So I have my bidder's permit. It took me probably like 20-25 minutes to get, because everybody told me that you don't need a bid. So you have to understand that the tax deed auction and the foreclosure auction always happens at the same time in most counties. I can't breathe in this mask, Jesus. So it's so important to do your homework before, because 3 people told me that I don't need a bidder's permit, but as you see, I need one. So I have my bidder's permit, I'm ready. And then tomorrow I will get there early, because even though you have this bidder's permit, you still need to register for the auction. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go live tomorrow at a live auction.